What up, what up, what up, what up, what's poppin'? This Big John, DJ Alignment, Stylist John, working on some art. This is my behind the scenes of me working on my art projects. I got a show coming up. I want to do the show late September going into October, maybe around Halloween. It's going to be a fashion, hair, and art show. And I'm going to showcase some pieces that I've been working on for the past number of weeks. Just some expression. I want to showcase some hairstyles, I want to showcase some fashion, and I'm definitely going to showcase some music because I love making music. The name of the show is going to be called Black Rose Fashion Show. And the thing behind the Black Rose is, number one, a black rose is rare because, you know, people are used to seeing white roses, they're used to seeing red roses, but a black rose is very rare. And the black rose is mainly seen in the ghetto. And if you ever seen a black rose in the ghetto, they stand out from the red roses. And the reason why I chose the Black Rose fashion, hair, and art show is because there are a lot of hidden jewels in the ghetto. I'm from the north side. I'm from Shreve and Margaretta. And a lot of people have a lot of stereotypes about people that come from there. And when you come from poverty or you come from a place where it's a lot of violence and a lot of crime, and you make it out, it's a blessing. It's blissful, it's blissful. At peace, harmony, abundance. If you ever seen a rose grow out of concrete, the first thing that you notice is, how did this rose grow from the concrete? Roses, black roses, literally have to grow in the cracks of the concrete, and they have to bust through the concrete. I mean, literally, if you ever seen a black rose, look down at the foundation where it was at, you would look and be like, how in the world did you grow in this concrete jungle? How in the world did you, how did you get to a place of growth from this area where it's nothing? God can take nothing and turn it into something. God can take your worst situation and turn it around for your good. So Black Rose Hair, Fashion, and Art Show is a visual representation of everything that people said where you was nothing, how God would turn you around and make you something and put you on display. Okay? Black roses are rare, they're very valuable. They're seen in ballet ensembles. You'll see them in Black Swan. You see black roses. You see it in Broadway, and you see black roses in prom. Some young ladies and some fellas like wearing the black rose in prom. Is very fashionable. I've seen it in fashion shows. But I chose this particular topic and this particular theme because I wanted to showcase some gritty, grimy hair, fashion, and art that is from the concrete jungle. And I want to inspire people that's from the concrete jungle that you can make it out. You can survive. You can live. You can thrive. You can grow in any environment that is designed to suppress you. As long as you have faith in Christ, the Christ within, where you can bust out of that particular environment and become the phoenix, the eagle. No weapon formed against you shall prosper, and every tongue that rises up in judgment shall be condemned. So I'm working on this piece. I've got several pieces that I started working on. Just being diligent in my ideas. Got this piece that I started. This piece right here, I call it angelic. When you this reminds me of a genie. This hookah reminds me of a genie bottle. And you see ancient angelic writings on both sides of the wings. And what you see pictured is a picture of a seraphim, the wings of a seraphim. This is a piece that I call no smoking. And as you can see, the vapes, there are three different types of vapes. And I've seen, although a lot of youth and teens and adults love smoking vapes, the liquid in the vapes is known to cause a certain type of lung situation. So that's the reason why this is entitled No Smoking. I wanted to kind of display a visual representation of what happens when the smoke goes out. This is a piece that I entitled Ganja. Gas ganja. And this is the piece that I entitled Warning. Here's a new piece that I'm working on. It's always good to be fervent in whatever your ideas are, because God can give you some ideas that you can do that can change the life and the course of your family. And I want to encourage brothers and sisters that are watching to really work at your ideas and really work at producing whatever God gave you as an idea to change the course and the life of your family. This is a piece that I am entitled Tipsy. I'm gonna let this one dry. And everything you do, it all starts from my idea. I want to encourage anyone watching this video to take action behind any ideas that the Most High gave you. Whether it's a dream, whether it's a thought while you're in the middle of walking or doing an activity, whatever it is, take action behind it and keep on working until your plan is complete and you at the finish point of the blueprint that you started writing. I'm in the planning process of getting the venue, finishing off the artwork, getting my collection together, finding models, working on music, fishing through hairstyles that I want to go with the fashion section. I really want this to be successful, so I'm putting in the legwork, and I'm looking right at probably September, October for the fashion show to start. So this is just a behind the scenes vlog of me working, putting forth my time, my labor, and my action behind whatever my words and ideas are. So if you need your hair cut, styled, braided, you can reach me, or colored, you can reach me at 314-359-5499, www.stylistjohn.com. I can get you fly. And come to the Black Rose Hair, Fashion, and Art Exhibit.